everyone, welcome back to my channel. Who said that you can't bake a delicious cake without eggs and in the microwave? Well, you can. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a chocolate sponge cake in less than 15 minutes, and that too in microwave. When I made this cake, everybody loved it, so I decided to share it with you guys. I'm sure the chocoholics in your family will finish this up in one go, just like me. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe.
Ingredients you'll need are milk, melted butter, vanilla essence, all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda. First, I'm gonna add 1 cup powdered sugar into 1 cup milk, which is at room temperature. Mix them until sugar is completely dissolved. It would be better if you use hand mixer for this. To it, I am adding 3 teaspoons melted butter. You can add oil also. Now in a separate bowl, take 3 teaspoons cocoa powder, 1½ cup all-purpose flour and ½ teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Now I'll mix all the dry ingredients. Now combine liquid mixture and dry mixture together. You can also add 2 to 3 eggs if you want to, like if you're non-vegetarian. Since I'm supposed to make eggless cake, so I'm not gonna add any. However, adding 1 teaspoon corn flour is a good substitute for eggs. Now mix everything well. The more you mix, the more your sponge will become soft. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon lemon juice, or you can also use orange juice. The lemon juice will react with baking soda. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. You can also use cardamom powder for this. Now we need to mix well again. Oh my goodness, this looks so chocolatey and yummy. Now because I am a dry fruit lover, I am adding some cashew nuts and almonds into the batter and mix again. I always try to make use of dry fruits in whatever recipe I try to make. Now it's time to prepare microwave safe dish by greasing it using some oil or butter. Now pour the batter in the dish. Oh my god, this looks so good. our dish with batter is ready. Now microwave over high power for 5 minutes. Power setting for each microwave differs, so cook accordingly, right? Now after 5 minutes I will take this out from microwave. Oh wow, just look at this, awesome. It rised up really good. If you insert the toothpick, you can see it comes out clear. This means cake is ready. Now I will try to remove its edges. Now put a plate over this, and all you need to do is just flip this over a plate. Awesome, our cake is ready. Now I'm using butterscotch ice cream in place of whipped cream as its frosting. Let me know if you want a video on cake with whipped cream on top of it. Now I'm adding Hershey's chocolate syrup on it. Now it's time to be creative. You can decorate it as you wish. After this, you can refrigerate it for half an hour. Now I am adding some peanuts on it. You can top it with whatever you want. I'll just have a piece of it. Now here we are done. Now since I was craving for it, I will try it out myself first.
Be sure to give this delicious and oh so moist chocolate a try, and if you happen to make this recipe, please leave me a comment or share your pictures on my Instagram. I would love to see your creations and would be happy to answer any of your questions. I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified for my upcoming videos. So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.